How to hide your Snapchat story from someone. So if you want to hide your Snapchat story from someone, then first open up your Snapchat application and simply take a snap, and then go for stories and choose my story, and then send and add that to your story. And after adding, now you can go for the upper left corner, which has that profile icon, and scroll down, and here you will have your stories, right? So what you can do is you can simply go for the right side, which has that three dots icon, and go for story settings, and here you can go for custom, and then choose the person that you would like to block from viewing your story. So if you don't want this person to see your story, then choose that person and then tap on block, and that's it. That person will be blocked from seeing your story. So if you want to hide your story from someone, then simply block them from seeing your story, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.